Right, we'll just put fuel in it. So we are going to try and start it. Wish me luck. I'm a little bit nervous. Runs, it's alive. Sounds pretty good so far. Sounds pretty good actually. Success! It's alive. Sure, there's a few little things to iron out yet. Like I've got to bleed the Active-Yaw system. I've got to bleed the coolant system. Always got to do more checks on the engine, make sure everything's okay. There's no fluid leaks, no coolant leaks. But I'm pretty happy so far. It's alive. So yeah, I've reached a milestone here. It's pretty big. I can't explain how this feels right now. It's been a long time waiting to happen this.